y'all. Wait, let me check this. No one in my house. Oh, we're good. Okay, so I received a WhatsApp from my agent yesterday telling me you have to go 9:40 tomorrow morning to please open up your ears, the Louis Vuitton headquarters. It is now 8:11. I have to leave in 45 minutes and we're gonna meet Louis Vuitton. I think this is what I'm gonna go for fit-wise. I'm not gonna put these shoes on. I'm just gonna bring them with me in case I need to catwalk. I'm gonna wear some boots with that because they're more practical to walk with. Oh, excuse my panties. But yeah, I think that vibe is like kind of cowboy, kind of cute. But not too much. It's also very classical, very casting like. Okay, the fit is looking cute. I need to do my makeup and hair. Okay, I did my skincare. Let's do my makeup. This is gonna be the usual casting makeup. It's going to be very lightweight, obviously. Technically, it isn't a casting. I don't know. I don't think so. She just said XXX wants to meet you. Spoiler, it was a casting. To be fair, that's also what they said yesterday for Levi's. It ended up being very much a casting. I always like to do my brows when I'm going to a casting because it gives a much stronger look while still looking natural. I'm gonna use some Say just to make my skin extra pretty. You're definitely supposed to put that before your concealer, but I literally forgot. So let's go in with the tiniest bit of nose contour. Let's use some mascara. I like to put bottom mascara, same, gives a very strong, heavy look. I think we're done. I might add a little bit of blush, but really tiniest thing. I'm honestly just using the leftover blush that was on my brush because at least I know I can't overdo it. Let's do the hair. Okay, so this time my agent actually told me to come with a slick back, only because the last time I went to the agency I had a slick back and she said I like that hairstyle. Okay, as usual, my bun helper, I don't know what to call that, bun donut. Okay, this is the vibe. Just a little more gel to make sure it stays in place. Someone just rang at my doorbell, but I'm literally so late. I do not have time to go see what it is about. Okay, I think we're good to go. Let's go, because apparently there's issues on the subway, so this is the look. I think it's the most Louis Vuitton I can get, honestly, without owning anything Louis Vuitton. With the bag, like, yeah, I think it's giving model off duty. It's kind of cute. Y'all, I am stressing out like crazy, honestly. Like, legs are shaking, out of breath. I'm honestly not gonna say who I'm gonna meet because I don't want to like be that person for once. Usually I really don't care, but I don't want to be like name dropping people. Anyways, the future of my career is probably at play here, so that's crazy. Oh my god. But I didn't realize it until this morning. And my agent, she sent me a text message, like an audio, saying, hey, hope you're well, hope you're on your way. Send me a little message when it's over. And you know when they do that? They're not playing. Okay, so I just came back from the casting. It was no media, no social media, so I couldn't record, unfortunately. I did take a picture of me. Here it is. And low-key, I don't want to get in trouble on my first like serious casting, so I did not play. But it went okay, y'all. Nothing particular happened. They just asked me to like put on some heels, take pictures. They took like pictures all around of my face and my body, and they asked us to stand in a line. There was like 8 of us, all white girls. So they asked us to stand in like a straight line and then walk in front of the casting director, which is low-key, I'm not gonna lie, that's very stressful. I've never walked in front of like a real casting director with a whole casting team, and she was legit like taking notes on what she was thinking of us, and she just said thank you with a really big smile, and that was it. So legit just told my agent, no particular feeling. It went. It did not go well or bad, it just went.
Ne vous inquiétez pas. Bientôt, tous ces problèmes qui sont en train de vous frapper, qui vous fait mal, et vous avez souci dans votre vie, dans votre cœur, tout ça va finir bientôt. Et ça va finir, et tout va rentrer en l'ordre.
Okay, literally, like, I'm overthinking everything I did during the casting, because I'm like overthinking my outfit. Because first of all, okay, look at my outfit. Like, it's not really giving casting, but they didn't give me any directions. Okay, so that was my outfit. Like this, and I was wearing my boots. And like everybody else was wearing a tank top, but they didn't tell me what I should be wearing. Also, they were wearing like large pants. I don't know if you know what I mean, like not large, but kind of boot cut. And I was wearing shorts with boots. So like, I also brought heels with me, but I was scared because these are not heels that I put on very often. So I didn't know if I was gonna be, oh my god, I got the hiccups. If I was gonna be able to walk in them. So I did not put them on. I chose to stick with my boots, which they didn't tell me anything about, so I was assuming it was fine. Here's how I walked. It was about this length, actually. Like, is that good? Is that even good? Like, I'm kind of mad at myself. I'm kind of mad at my agency. Like, give me some preparation. This probably like was the most important casting of my entire career that is coming and that has been. So it had to be perfect, but now I'm overthinking it, and I know that like nothing really happened. It didn't go bad, it didn't go well, but that's like usually that's the point of castings. You can't really tell. All I know is that when I was walking up the second time, she was like, thank you. She didn't ask me anything, and she did ask some of the other girls, like, I guess their age, or if I was the first time they were in a Fashion Week season. So, yeah, we'll see how it goes. If I get ever a return, I will put it in like the comments or the description. Yeah, anyways. Also, I found some cute stuff at Emma. I got a little keychain, very cute. A pencil case, I guess, which was like €2.50. Some things to organize my desk, finally. So cute. And a pink notepad. Sparkly. Adorable. So yeah, I'm gonna add this to my collection. I am going to work out. Post-casting workout. I don't know if that's a thing, but it should be, because we need to relieve all that anxiety. So yeah, I'm just gonna be working out. I've got my mat right here. Gonna do some Pilates, obviously sand float. I might do a little bit of Nicola's Pilates exercises, but they're very difficult. So I usually stick with sand float because she is a model. She did Victoria's Secret, and we all know that's the ultimate goal in life, so better follow the people who you know succeeded. And plus her body is kind of similar to mine, so like when workout influencers do like some kind of exercises where you have to like put your legs like this, I literally cannot do this. My legs literally make me tilt forward, so it becomes like impossible. But San, she doesn't do that type of exercises, I guess because we have like a similar body type with extremely long legs, so they kind of act like a counterweight for the rest of your body. It's very hard to work on your abs. Like if you ask me to do an exercise when like if the YouTuber is like has their legs like this, I literally cannot do that. I have to put my legs here for it to be doable. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go eat, not lunch because it's only 11 a.m. I'm gonna go get some tea. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.